Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning class, how are you today? I hope you are always fine and be in good health. Alhamdulillah, today we are already in our second meeting and we are still talking about offering help. Now let's watch the video.
Do you need some help, Mrs. Green?
Yes, please, Jane.
How can I help?
Will you take me to the toilet, please?
Of course. Do you want to go now?
Yes, I need to go now. Will you help me out of the chair first?
Sure. Give me your arm and I'll help you up. That's right.
Thank you.
Can you stand up, please? There you are.
Can you take me to the toilet, please?
Yes, we'll go now. Do you want to go to the dining room afterwards?
No, I won't go to the dining room today. I don't feel like eating lunch.
All right, but it's very hot today. You should have a drink.
Yes, it is very hot. I'll have a glass of juice in my room later.
Good idea.
Okay, now let's see tujuan pembelajaran. Pada pertemuan yang lalu, kita sudah mengidentifikasi dan membuat kalimat tentang offering help. And today we will talk about how to make an offering help menggunakan dengan model auxiliary dan dengan cara formal and informal way. What is model auxiliary? Model auxiliary adalah kata bantu yang ditempatkan sebelum kata kerja utama untuk memodifikasi makna dari kata kerja tersebut. Ini beberapa contoh dari model auxiliary. Will, would, shall, may, might, can, could, must, have to, ought to, and should. Tapi tidak semuanya kita gunakan dalam offering help. Would and may kita gunakan untuk kalimat yang lebih sopan atau lebih formal. Kita ungkapkan untuk orang yang lebih tua atau orang yang belum kita kenal. And then can kita gunakan boleh untuk teman atau orang sebaya kita. Let's see the example. Would you like some bread? May I help you? Can I do something for you? Could I help you? Should I take your drink? Nah, di sini ada cara offering help in formal way. Would you like something to eat? And this is how to accept. Yes, please. I'd like to eat something sweet. And how to reject. Oh, no thanks. I'm full enough. Would you mind if I take you home? With pleasure. I like home with my friends. Could I buy you a glass of drink? That's very kind of you. How to reject? I already had one. Next, informal way. Do you want me to get you some food? How to accept? You really know what I want. How to refuse? Maybe later. What about having some meals? That's great. I'm starving. No, I'm not hungry. Can I bring your stuffs? Well, thanks a lot. I can do it myself. Well, class, so that's how to make a offering help in formal and informal way. If you have a question, you can ask me directly to your WhatsApp, or you can ask me to the Google Classroom. So, I'll see you on the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.